Pandas DataFrame to list of lists. It's easy to turn a list of lists into a Pandas DataFrame. But how do I turn DF back into a list of lists?
You could access the underlying array and call its toList method.
If the data has column and index labels that you want to preserve, there are a few options. Example data. The toList method described in other answers is useful but yields only the core data, which may not be enough, depending on your needs. One approach is to convert the data frame to JSON using df.to_JSON and then parse it again. This is cumbersome but does have some advantages, because the to_JSON method has some useful options. Cumbersome but may be useful. The good news is that it's pretty straightforward to build lists for the columns and rows. This yields if the none as the name of the index is bothersome, rename it. Then
I wanted to preserve the index, so I adapted the original answer to this solution. Now you can paste it somewhere else, for example to paste into a Stack Overflow question, and later recreate it. I don't know if it will fit your needs, but you can also do. This is just a NumPy array from the array module, which lets you do all the usual NumPy array things.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.